Welcome viewers. Introduction about this video. Our way of training is totally different. That is like a formula. It's only the starting point of the sentence. Each tense will have five lines. Those are types of sentences only. In the formula, the first line is for positive sentence. Second line is for negative sentence. Third line is for question sentence. Fourth line is for negative question sentence. And fifth for question word sentence. We use these while we speak. So understand our formula so that you can easily learn grammar points. Also you can form new sentences and speak confidently. Send your doubts in lessons with your comments. We are waiting to explain. Today's lesson, question tags. We are the first people to teach question tags in just a minute. Understand the details and speak well. Now we shall move to lessons. Question tag is a very short clause at the end of a statement which changes the statement into a question. Please remember the below given points only to form question tags. The question tag for the first formula is fourth formula in each tense of 5 lines. The question tag for the second formula is third formula in each tense of 5 lines. And some exceptions. That's all. Example. I speak subject plus V1. Don't I? You don't speak subject plus don't plus V1. Do you? Kumar helps subject plus V1 plus yes. Doesn't he? Kumar doesn't help subject plus doesn't plus V1. Does he? Note. Use he in the question tag if Kumar is a subject. I told subject plus V2, didn't I? Selvi didn't ask subject plus didn't plus V1, did she? Note, use she in the question tag if Selvi is a subject. The train has come subject plus has plus V3, hasn't it? Note, use it in the question tag if the train is a subject. Like this, you can say question tags for any sentence in that tense easily. Exceptions. Use aren't I for I am plus C formula. Example, I am coming, aren't I? Use shall we for let us. Example, let us start speaking, shall we? Use can't you for order sentences. Example, come fast, can't you? Use will you for request sentences. Example, please open the door, will you? With this, the complete question tags explanations are over. Please understand our formula so that you can think in English. You can form new sentences. You can speak boldly and confidently. Send your doubts in lessons with your comments. We are waiting to explain. Do the practice daily. Good luck to all the viewers. Welcome viewers. Introduction about this video. Our way of training is totally different. That is like a